Mr. Aman Jain,
Yes,
hearty
sir.
congratulations. In fact, double congratulations to you on,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
on securing All India rank 96 in electrical engineering and All India 146th rank in instrumentation engineering in GATE 2021. So once again, double congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Mr. Aman, where are you from? Can you tell your hometown and your native state?
I am from Savai Madhupur, Rajasthan.
Okay, very good, Aman. Any specific reason why you have taken the, of course, not only you, many students have taken. What is your reason in taking the GATE exam in electrical engineering as well as instrumentation?
Sir, actually, I am preparing for electrical engineering from the May 2020. Then IIT Bombay released the GATE brochure. Then they have provided option this. We have taken two branches for the GATE examination. So I was thinking that I have choose instrumentation or not, but I have researched about it, and I have kind of interest in the control system and instrumentation for the MTech purpose. So I have to choose, and I have two options for this from the instrumentation and the electrical. So I have chosen instrumentation engineering also for the GATE examination.
So you mean to say that in case something goes wrong in electrical engineering, if you can perform well in the instrumentation, that score also you want to use because you are also interested in the instrumentation and controls specialization. Am I right?
Yes. Yes,
okay,
sir.
Right. Good, Aman. Between electrical paper and instrumentation paper, which paper did you feel more easy relatively?
First, kind of I would say instrumentation engineering paper is easy, but I'm not prepared core subjects of the instrumentation engineering. So I did not prepare. I did not do well in that paper. But I'm good in electrical engineering and more confident because in the electrical engineering because which fear of the examination I have faced in the instrumentation engineering already. So I am not that panicked in the electrical engineering paper.
So you mean to say that you did not make any specific extra preparation with regard to the instrumentation engineering?
Yes,
whatever
sir.
you have learnt from electrical engineering, with the same preparation, you appeared the instrumentation paper also.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You got this 146 rank. Okay.
Yes.
Aman, what was your score in the electrical engineering?
My score is 75 out of 100.
Achha, 75 marks you scored. And I want to ask the score, GATE score.
GATE score is 857.
857 in electrical engineering.
Yes, sir.
For the rank of 96. Okay. What about instrumentation, where you got rank of 146? What was the score?
712, sir.
712. Okay, right. Obviously, you will be trying with your electrical score only, right? Very good, Aman. See, in YES Academy, which coaching program that you have availed?
Sorry, sir.
In YES Academy, we have different programs: classroom coaching, online test series is there, and the deep learn classes also, recorded class also there, live classes also there. So which program that you have taken from YES Academy?
Sir, I have taken deep learn courses for the ESC technical.
Achha, right. Very good, Aman. So you belong to the deep learn. You have taken the deep learn recorded classes for our engineering services main school. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Mr. Aman, can you tell how these deep learn classes helped you in your preparation?
Actually, I want to join physical classes, but in the corona pandemic, we have not option to join the physical classroom. So I have listened about your coaching from my big brother, and I have researched about it. After that, I have researched about it, and I have got your platform is the best option for me, and your faculties are very very knowledgeable, and your doubt solving platform is very helpful to me. And I have joined your test series also. Test series is very good for the conceptual part. It's a very helpful to me.
Very good. Thank you for your kind words, Aman. Aman, in our deep learn, for every subject we have got small modules.
Yes,
like
sir.
half an hour, 40 minutes, like that modules.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what was your feeling about this small modules?
Sir, it's a very good option. If you are doing in the 3 hours in a tech, that very hectic in the recorded video because we are using on the mobile session also, so it is very stressed and very hectic for us. And if you are divided 3 hours lectures into the 40 minutes module, it's a very helpful decision from us, and it very helpful to me.
So you can take small breaks also between each module, right? And moreover, whenever you find time, you can listen to those classes. That is how they are going to more handy for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Aman. Apart from the deep learn classes, did you refer to any other study material, any textbooks as such?
I have used one more coaching institute test series in the December to January period. Otherwise, I am not using any other material from that was sufficient to me. Your material is sufficient.
Okay, Aman, did you prepare any further short notes for every subject?
No, sir. I'm not prepared short notes. My strategy is different. I have follow through my full notes, and dictate on that notes also from my other colors. So I have not that much.
So during the revision process, you used to go to those highlighted and underlined points.
Yes, sir.
That is how you used to do the revision work. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Said one more, Mr. Aman, you are saying that you followed some more strategy, etc. Very good. What are your suggestions and some tips for the future aspirants of the GATE exam in your electrical engineering? Can you please give some tips to your juniors? Whatever you feel, Aman, whatever you feel. Maybe
I'm feeling not prepared. I think I have to say that don't stress too much about the future. It will be fine for everyone. Don't panic, and doing your work regularly, and you have targeted. If you are not prepared timetable for not every day, you have prepared sim between in the 15 days distribute, and every subject to give in the time period, and you have done prepare well in that exam.
So you mean to say that you have to prepare a specific schedule for the subjects, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Specific schedule for the preparation and the completion, and you have to fulfill that schedule. You have to follow the schedule. Okay, good, Aman. So with this 96 rank in electrical engineering, are you going to join any PSC or going to join MTech program?
I was thinking about MTech program, sir.
MTech program. Right. Very good, Aman. What about engineering preparation? You'll be continuing that.
Yes, sir.
I was. Okay, right. So when you want to go for MTech program, which specialization you are thinking of?
I was thinking about power electronics and control system. For the first choice is my power electronics, and then second choice is control system and instrument.
Okay. So are you not interested to go for some interdisciplinary courses like you have microelectronics and VLSI, artificial intelligence, data science, etc. So some students are going in favor of those courses also. So you wanted to confine yourself to the core electrical engineering only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm not that handy in the electronics part like VLSI. It's a software, more software area, and I'm not that handy in the software area.
And moreover, your main interest is to prepare for engineering services, isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, okay. So, did you appear for mains this year, engineering services?
No, sir. Actually, I'm not cleared in the last 2020 prelims.
You
In
are
that,
unlucky, right? Okay, no issue, Aman. I think you have got a good rank in electrical engineering and in instrumentation. This will certainly boost your confidence levels. I think if you continue the same preparation without any further, without any further gap, if you continue preparation, I think next year definitely you'll be able to crack this engineering services also, right? Keep
Yes, sir.
continuously that preparation. Don't leave that one.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Aman, any other further suggestion to your juniors? Any other further suggestion?
Don't panic.
Yes, that's absolutely correct. In the examination, what about the time that was given for you, the 3 hours? Was it sufficient, or did you feel any pressure when not meeting that schedule of 3 hours of time? Was the time sufficient for you in the examination?
Sorry, sir.
Was the time 3 hours given to you in the gate exam was sufficient for you in the main exam?
Yeah, it was sufficient to me. Actually, I have using test series, so I have handy these follow, and it was sufficient. Actually, I have completed in the 2 hour and 50 minutes in the.
So you could complete the paper much before the actual deadline of 3
Yes.
hours.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good, Aman. Thank you for sharing your thoughts and your strategies with us. I think our discussion will be certainly very help to the aspirants of the GATE exam in especially in electrical engineering. So we take the opportunity to wish you all the best in all your future endeavors, and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
All
Thank
the
you.
best. All the best. God bless you, Aman Jain.
Thank you
God
so
bless.
much.